So before this video gets started, if you were an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make up to an extra $100 per month, you can now use the link below to sign up for Play Octopus and they will send you this box for free. And they're pretty much nationwide now, so you can sign up. And this is what they send you. They send you a tablet for you to put in the back of your headrest so your passengers can play games on it. Or they can just sit there and look at the ads. They don't even have to play the games. And you as a driver make extra money simply by putting this in your car for free. So if you're a driver for Uber and your Lyft, you have to get Play Octopus now. There's free money waiting for you. So use the link below to sign up. You won't regret it. Now let's get started with the video. Uber launches bonuses for drivers. So Uber, guys, if you're an Uber driver, you will get bonuses in the form of a
quest.
Quest. Good job. You got $1. You win $1.
Yeah.
So this is what it looks like, guys. Want to look at that?
Yeah. Basically, this is saying that between Monday to Friday, basically you get a few days to complete 40 trips, and you get an extra $25. And that also unlocks another bonus where you can get an extra $5 if you do 10 extra trips. That's a crazy bonus, guys. Wow.
That's not even 50 cents per ride. No, it's like 50 cents per ride bonus. So this is on Reddit where they're basically showing like how bad is it? $10 for 10 trips. Yeah. Yeah, this is another one. Their name is Shaquille O'Neal. Like, that's the issue with Ubers. Like, their passengers or the drivers have to go through, intense background checks, upload a photo, like do background verifications, do the car insurance, car documents, etc. And then a passenger just goes, "Oh, my name's Shaquille O'Neal." So that's why they don't care by rating somebody 1 star, because it's like if they get deactivated, they just create a new name. "Oh, my name's Kanye West now."
Yeah, they should make passengers upload their ID.
They should.
Or something to verify age. I've been taking Ubers from when I was like 14.
Yeah, and that's technically like not allowed.
Yeah, I didn't even know it wasn't allowed, but like I never got refused a ride the whole 4 years before I became an adult that I was taking Ubers. That's
wild. That's wild. So yeah, guys, comment down below what your bonuses are right now, because it looks like Uber's launching these new low-paying bonuses to do 40 trips for $25. And then, oh, look at this. And then you can unlock another offer, another $5 bonus if you do 100 more rides. Again, quick shout out to our sponsor, Play Octopus. Again, if you're an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make an extra up to $100 per month, you can use the link below and they'll send you your free tablet to put in your car, and you as a driver get to make extra money. Use the link below. Talk to you guys soon.